Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Rolls-Royce Phantom limousine. We'll begin by laying down the fundamental structure. First, lightly sketch the car's overall length and height on your paper. This initial outline helps define the vehicle's presence. Next, establish the wheelbase, which is roughly 2/3 of the total length, ensuring proper scale. Finally, lightly mark the positions for the wheels and the distinctive grille, setting the stage for our detailed drawing. Now, let's refine the body and add some key features. Carefully outline the elegant body lines, paying attention to the long, flowing hood and the smooth roofline. These curves are essential to the Phantom's luxurious appearance. Next, add the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem atop the grille and sketch the rectangular headlights. Finally, detail the large, classic wheels and the prominent side mirrors, bringing more character to your drawing. Moving on, we'll focus on the windows and subtle interior elements. Draw the distinct window shapes, paying close attention to the rear privacy glass, which is a hallmark of the limousine. Through the windows, add subtle hints of the interior, such as the outlines of seats, to give depth. Then, refine the door lines and add the elegant chrome trim that frames the windows, enhancing the luxurious feel of your Rolls-Royce. For our final steps, we'll bring your drawing to life with shading and finishing touches. Apply shading to create depth, emphasizing the car's elegant contours and making it appear three-dimensional. Add subtle reflections on the polished surfaces, like the chrome grille and bodywork, for a truly realistic look. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. A well-shaded drawing truly captures the Phantom's grandeur. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.